In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automated emails on Shopify. By the end, you'll have the right app installed, your brand settings in place, and you'll know exactly where to create automations and campaigns so your store can send timely, on-brand emails without manual work. First, sign into your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, open Apps. In the search field for the Shopify App Store, type Shopify Email. When the App Store opens, select the Shopify email listing from the results. You may also see Shopify messaging in the results. Go ahead and open that as well, because messaging is where you'll manage channels like email inside your admin. On the Shopify messaging page, click Install. Confirm the installation in your admin when prompted. After the app finishes installing, return to your apps list and open Shopify messaging. Inside the app, choose the email channel. If you see multiple prompts for email, continue selecting email until you land on the email channel's main dashboard. This ensures you're working in the right place for your automations and campaigns. Next, look for the sales or performance area to get familiar with how results will appear once you start sending. Then, review and accept the terms of service if you're prompted. This step enables sending and is required before messages can go out. Now set your brand defaults. Add your logo, choose your brand colors and typography, and confirm your sender name. These defaults carry into every email so your messages feel consistent and professional, and they save you time when building templates. Open the checkout customization from within the app to review how customers provide email consent during checkout. Make sure your marketing opt-in language is clear and compliant with your regional rules. Good consent settings help your automations reach the right audience. Head to Automations and click Create Automation. This is where you'll build flows like welcome series or post-purchase follow-ups based on customer actions. Don't worry about perfecting content yet. Just note where to start a new automation when you're ready. If you navigate back to messaging, you can also create a campaign for one-time sends such as product announcements or flash sales. When prompted, confirm your brand template so your colors, logo, and footer details are applied. You can explore the templates area to manage reusable email layouts, and use settings to review sending details, legal text, and other preferences that affect deliverability and compliance. That's it. You've installed the right tools, enabled the email channel, set your brand defaults, and located where to create automations and campaigns. Keep your settings consistent, and you'll be ready to scale your email marketing with confidence.